Hello students, good morning. Once again, welcome back to our St. Thomas High School. Myself Nimisha Mehta. After long break, as per your unit test over, I hope all of you appeared well. Okay, so let's start chapter 13, articles. We already understood about articles a, an, and the. A is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with consonant sounds. A and N. A and N is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with vowel sounds. I explained A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. It's pronunciation from vowels. Vowel sounds. An inkpot, an egg, an unkind remark, and Okay, बच्चे? And its rules also we understood. Now we go as per exercise B. Underline the correct options to complete the sentences. Where we put article, we understand in these rules and in my previous lecture. The. When we use the is called the definite article because it refers to a particular person, animals or thing. The dog is a faithful animal. We talk about particular dog. See, we use the dog. Understand? So here, underline the correct options to complete the sentences. The Spanish player could not talk in English. Here we talk about a player from Spanish. So we use the Spanish and talk about language. Before language we can't use the article the. So here the Spanish and English. Platinum is an expensive metal. Before material we use no article. Simple. Platinum, gold, silver. Understand now? The staple diet in West Bengal is fish, curry and rice. I forget here. So, बच्चे underline rice. Don't put there the rice. Only rice. Sarad is the most popular actor in this region. The Titanic hit an iceberg and sank. The rice that you served was very good. The sun is shining brightly. The boy I met yesterday sang beautifully. To whom we met, do not know particular the boy. So we use article here. The boy I met yesterday sang beautifully. Now we go as per exercise C. Fill in the blanks with A, N or the. Bharti is an intelligent girl. Here we sound from vowel intelligent. Piyush borrowed a book from his friend. The book was written by Mark Twain. Which book we talk about? Which one Piyush borrowed? So, okay. Particular book. We talk about the particular book. So, we use the. The Japanese attacked an American naval base at Pearl Harbor. Next exercise, बच्चे. Harshit added a spoonful of sugar to his cup of tea. The students who came for the test were asked to bring a pencil, an eraser and a ruler. Here we use A because we talk for only one pencil. Eraser, sound from vowel, so N. And a ruler. Huhu Som is a wizard. My cousin writes articles for the Indian Express. Particular, the Indian Express. The lion is the king of the jungle. The juice served to us was too sweet to drink. An apple a duck keeps the doctor away. Understand? Now we go as per exercise D. Insert articles wherever necessary and rewrite the sentences. Dog is faithful animal. We talk about particular animal, the dog. So write here, the dog is a faithful animal. Our neighbors have a dog in their house. The dog they have is well trained. A trainer comes to train it every day. The trainer comes early in the morning. Particular time. So, the morning. He lives in Chandni Chowk near the Red Fort. Particular place. So, we use the Red Fort. He trains dog for an hour. He comes in an auto rickshaw. The auto rickshaw is popular form of transport. The auto rickshaw waits for the trainer till he finishes his works. So बच्चे finish these exercises and write down in your notebook. We finish chapter 13 articles. Okay बच्चे, take care, stay home, stay